क्या है? Should women work or not? Okay. What about you guys? Is it the same topic? Okay, super. So I'd like to invite all these participants over here. So be prepared for it because this session, you know, हमारे previous editions में हमने notice किया कि जो discussion है debate में doesn't ये सिर्फ debate यहाँ खत्म नहीं होता है. 11:30 बजे debate यहाँ चलता है and then the debate happens in their rooms. रात को 1 बजे 2 बजे 3 बजे तक debate चलता है. So that's the kind of fun you know we have in debates. So with that, I'd like you guys to introduce yourselves.
जो man dominated framework था, but that was ages ago. हजारों लाखों साल हो गए उस बात को. But आज की इस modern युग में you think it's practical?
Thought can be a part of your life and not your life is what we are believing in today. Now, who said that you cannot be a homemaker along with a history maker? You got the potential and you can do it, is what we believe in. Okay, so I'm not going to bring up past facts because we are in a new generation and we have no opinion.
Starting on that point, I'd like to emphasize कि ये women empowerment feminism आया था. The third phase was कि men और women जो अभी जो modern ideology in western communities इधर उतना popular यहाँ नहीं है, but this is called the third wave of feminism जो अभी western communities में, which is men और women में कोई differences नहीं है. वैसा वो लोग बोलते हैं, वैसा वो लोग समझते भी हैं. जब ये लॉ निकला 1912 1915 somewhere there, 75% of women didn't want the right to vote. They were very wise women. The reason they said that because they understood कि the moment ये जो beneficials है वो भी आएंगे वैसा नहीं है, but you lose your liberty as humans.
A woman is much more stronger emotionally than a male. Now, just because a male does not express does not mean that he is controlling his emotions and he is stronger. A person is a widower, he finds it difficult to live without a partner, but a widow can sustain many years of loneliness.
They call it pink collar field where women are more dominating in these professions. It's not because of their physical strength or mental strength, it's because they are better at it. I'll give you an example why a woman. Have you ever seen a kindergarten teacher who is a maid?
And what I'm saying is, essentially, if they competed with men, if women started to compete with men, they would never win any single medal, whether it was silver, bronze, or gold. And the reason why I'm saying is there is actual evidence also.
Muscle building. पहली बात समझिए. Men do work. I also work for 8 hours, more than 12 hours somewhere. But you know, coefficiently अगर आप देखोगे, तो मम्मी सुबह 5 बजे से लेके अगले दिन 5 बजे तक काम करती है. तो फिजिकल एबिलिटी वहाँ पे भी है. You can't compete. Look, you can't compete on the basis of your muscle power.
और कितनों को ऐसा लगता है कि men are physically strong? Raise your hands. और कितनों को लगता है कि women are physically strong? That's an interesting numbers to see. Women family safety उसकी primary responsibility होनी चाहिए या secondary? So that's the debate about now. So
अगर इमोशनल चीज है कोई जगह पे तो वहाँ पे वुमेन का प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आएगा. बट इफ इट इज लाइक आपने बोला कि चोरी होती है या घर में कोई आ जाता है, so I will always say that men should be ready to die for their family.
Birth of a child can only be done by a woman, right? That is what is established. It can't be changed, right? So if a woman gives birth to a child, there are a lot of responsibilities that come attached with it, or not even responsibilities, rather that's the privilege that they have. So they have to do a lot of nurturing and all of it. So we don't have in our society revenue generation or earning money as the primary occupation. That is something we have to do to run the household, right? So my point is, since men cannot give birth to a child and all of the associated things, that is why man has been given the responsibility of earning the money for the household. It is not like it's the other way around. What we are saying is it's the other way around.
हमारी बेसिक नीड्स क्या है? जीवन जीना है और जीने के लिए पैसा कितना चाहिए। आप लोग पैसे के पागल होके अगर कुछ भी काम कर लोगे वो नहीं चलेगा। पैसा जरूरत जितनी होती है उतना ही चाहिए, सिर्फ पैसा ही चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा।
अगर जितने भी आप रिश्ते की बात भी करने जाओगे तो पहले पूछते हैं कि वुमेन क्या करती है। So if today being a housewife is not like a taboo or something, it should be your choice. If I am a woman and I want to work, it should be my choice.
Absolutely true. 100% true. I can speak with some kind of guarantee that बचपन में almost every boy wanted to be a cricketer, आगे में actor. 100% सबको पता. But as soon as the age comes, the first question to a boy is, will you be able to earn money? And then all the dreams of the boys have to be shattered to earn money. Because boy also has to sacrifice. It's just that we always think that पैसा कमाना is the biggest responsibility, so boy is lucky to earn money. The reality is a lot of boys, Marwari boys have a passion to become an actor, but a cricketer, but we've never seen that. Why? Because the question, first question, when you go to see a girl, or when any question comes to the boy is, how much will you earn? When that is the question, the boy has no choice, so the boy has to go earn money. But the girl has to be given a choice to explore her passion.